Today I'm going to be sharing a desk build I recently completed. This project started as a request from my 11-year-old daughter for a new desk for her room. And since I can't do anything the simple way, I decided to make something a little outside the box. I've always found my creativity comes out of putting restrictions on what I design, so I came up with a few goals and a few rules. The goal was that it had to be a beautiful, elegantly simple design that could be both functional and a creative haven, whether she was working with a pen and paper or with a laptop. The rules were twofold. It needed to have some storage, but without any drawers. And I wanted two surface heights, one for writing or drawing, and one for use of a keyboard or laptop. But I didn't want some ugly keyboard drawer. As you're about to see, accomplishing these goals was far from simple. I'll let you be the judge of how I did, but one thing is certain. It ended up being like a giant jigsaw puzzle to build. Stick around to the end to see a preview of some of the upgrades that will be coming in the future, and in the meantime, try to keep up. Here we go.
I was old, I was young, I was sitting in the sun, I was tired of the run, I was done. Life was great, life was hard, in a way an awful card. You can't win the losing hand. But the rain stopped falling and the line on the floor was crossed, and the pain I'd been feeling washed away to return another day. I was cold, I was bold, I had fragmented my soul into pieces contradicting themselves. Perhaps it is as it is, how the world is the mess, means that every heart and soul needs to be whole. And the road signs keep changing as the road stretches out ahead, and the mood keeps on changing. All I wanna do is lie down. How are you? Are you blue? I can sense a sadness in you. Don't you worry, every storm passes on.
off the phone, I will listen to you. You lay in the sheets, you hold on to me like I'm already gone, and whisper your words like secrets written in an old moleskin, and look up above. The sunlight seems like it is gonna break in, and something ain't right. Yeah, something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right. You straighten my shirt, wearing the skirt that my mother gave to you. I come up behind you and kiss on the side of your neck a few, and turn off the lights. The stars in the sky are turning so clear, and without the words, feelings unheard can still be just as sincere. But something's not right. Something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Without any shoes on, and holding my hand to spin you around, and I sing you a song, and taking a breath like taking yourself to the hospital, and I feel okay, almost the same, but I know I'm not healed, and something ain't right. Something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right.
Hello, Liza, how do you do? I'm writing you a letter, I hope it reaches you. I know it's been a long time since you heard from me. I'm still kicking around here in Tennessee. I heard you got a new place, I heard you got a new job, I heard you got a haircut, and it looks real nice. Are you ever lonely? Do you ever think of me? I heard you got a new man, I hope it treats you right. And before you toss this letter away, there's something that I've got to say. An aeroplane shooting across the sky can surely take your body to a new place for a while. But some things stay no matter where you go. ugly, we turn inside. Try to find a good thing we can stand behind. All my friends tell me she's the one that got away, but you never left me like a ghost you stay. There's nothing else worth thinking of when you find the one you love. An aeroplane shooting across the sky can surely take your body to a new place for a while, but some things stay no matter where you go. Do you still love me, Liza, babe? Please tell me yes or no.
This build tested my patience at times and pushed me to try some new things on more than one occasion. In the end, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. It's not quite perfect, but I think I managed to accomplish most of my goals. The only awkward part of using the desk is closing the central lid. It's not bad to open, but it's a little awkward to close. I'm already working on cool solutions using a custom switch, some more brass, some gears, and a motor. That video should be out in a few weeks, and you should subscribe and hit that notification button so you know when it is out. The video also includes some customizations for one of my favorite design features. I really like this arrangement where the writer or artist can stay engaged with the desk and have their pens, pencils, and other design utensils right at hand and contained. So these storage spaces are planned for something special. Again, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, as I'm going to be releasing some additional videos, and I have a few other projects lined up. Thanks for watching.